Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 15 update first of all. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we have to make sure that we have enough free space. Mean iPhone is not running out of space. The second thing that we have to check, we have a stable and strong internet connection. After that, launch Safari browser and search for beta.apple.com. Tap on first link and wait until page loaded. After that, scroll and tap on sign up. Touch ID or Face ID may be required. Touch ID done. Now on second page, scroll and under get started we have to tap on enroll your iOS device. Now scroll and under install profile tap on download profile. Now we have to tap on allow and tap close launch settings. Now profile downloaded, tap install, put iPhone passcode, tap install, again install. Now restart required. Please restart your iPhone to apply changes. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap not now and tap done. Now force close the application that are running in the background and launch settings again, and now tap on general and tap software update. Here we go. iOS 15 public beta 8 is ready to download in your iPhone. Any iPhone you can install this, even on iPhone 6s and holding 6.26 GB. Now tap download and install to get iOS 15 public beta 8. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.